All right, y'all. So basically I think this is my last day here at the office. As you guys can see, everything's empty. No more desks, no more furniture. These two chairs are probably gonna end up staying, but these two here I'm gonna take with me. This I'm taking with me. This leather chair here, and then this is a whiteboard. I got somebody who might want this, so I may end up just letting them get it, but I don't mind taking it home with me because it's a good, I had a lot of nice little presentations here. Boom. Brutus Empire, baby. But, yeah, so I do everything from home. So I don't really need an office, you know what I mean? I don't really need an office, so I'm just gonna do everything from home because everything I do is virtual. All my deals are virtual deals, and then I day trade stocks in the morning. So I don't really need this this office space. So this is it, office. Because right now, everything that I do, I do on Zoom. Basically, all my meetings I do on Zoom. All of my, any new clients that I have, I meet them on Zoom. And, there's no point. The future is like, everything is like virtual. Everything can be done with a laptop and the internet and a phone. That's all you need nowadays to do business. Nice area, nice views. You guys could see. That's Montclair. But decent area, but my time has come. So that's it. It was good while it lasted. And so that's it for me. But the office is empty, as you guys can see. Everything is empty. I just gotta take these things away, which is my camera bag, and I gotta toss these in the garbage. My phone and my iPad. But that is it. I gotta get rid of this towel, toss it in the garbage, and then this vacuum cleaner gotta go. But that's it, man. It was nice space, nice while it lasted. So I've been here for like 5 years, so time to move on, bro. Do everything from home and make money the same way. Cause I literally come here like twice a month. For like the past year, I come here like twice a month. So most of my clients, I meet them on Zoom, or I meet them, everything is done online now. So there's no need for office space anymore. Like the way that I'm building my lifestyle, I want everything to be, basically everything to be virtual. I like to be able to travel whenever I want to travel without having to not make money. So I like the virtual, I like the laptop life. I like the just a simple life, man. Everything's done from home. All my deals are done at home. I day trade stocks at my desk or at my laptop. I have a monitor at home though. I got a bigger monitor. But if I'm traveling, I just take my laptop. I have 2 laptops. One of them I travel with, and then the other one I just keep there, and I use that at my desk. But everything's virtual. You don't nowadays. You don't need office space. Like, this is a waste of space, waste of money, because basically everything I do, and if I do hire more people, they could all be virtual assistants. I could hire virtual assistants. Everything is virtual. You don't need office space in 2019. Just like, just like I was reading this thing where Amazon don't have stores. Maybe they have 1 or 2 stores, but they make billions of dollars. They don't have a store. Look at Uber. Uber don't have any cars, you know. Well, they might have 1 or 2 cars, but they don't really have a lot of cars. But they're in the they're in the driving business. All these companies, you know, that are doing very good right now. Look at, for instance, Airbnb. They don't own any houses, but they're making a ton of money in the housing industry. So you literally could do everything virtually. You don't need, my boy is supposed to stop by actually to help me take this thing down. This thing is heavy. This thing is real heavy. And so I want him to help me take it down. So that's why I'm kind of killing time right now. But yeah, everything is done virtually. You don't really need office space anymore. All you need is a laptop and internet. You literally can make money every single day with a laptop and the internet. So, you know, I had to give the office up. I kind of like the area. I kind of got used to it. I don't really want to let it go because I'm used to it, but I only come here like once a month, so it doesn't make sense. So, you know, my lease is up, and I kind of don't want to renew it. So, yeah, that's the office, but everything is gone. You guys can see my desk was over here. All the stuff was over here. Yeah, so that's it. All right, guys. Adios.